Imagine being able to easily find incredible trading opportunities without needing to spend thousands of hours studying charts. For many people, this might sound like a dream. Is a revolutionary trading indicator that shows you the best points to enter, where to put your stop loss, and even take profit. But don't just blindly trust what we tell you. See what our customers, whether you decide to use the indicator on your phone or on your computer, instantly delivers a high level of trading accuracy when used correctly. And if you do not have the time to check the charts for new signals, you can simply activate the option to get a notification sent straight to your phone once a new signal appears. You can decide now. Either go back to consuming hours of content without making any progress, or start your trading journey right now.
What if the reason you keep missing the best entries isn't your strategy? It's your indicator. But don't just take our word for it. Traders around the world continue to share their experiences through reviews and trading communities, praising Swift Algo for its simplicity, consistency, and structured approach to trading. In one US 100 backtest, the strategy achieved a 71% win rate across 125 trades with a profit factor close to 2.0. While every market is different and past performance doesn't guarantee future results, these insights help traders evaluate and refine their strategies with greater confidence. If you're tired of indicators that leave you guessing, it's time to trade with more clarity and confidence. Most trading tools repaint, lag behind price, or leave you guessing where to exit. By the time the signal appears, the opportunity is already gone. That's why thousands of traders are making the switch to Swift Algo. You've probably experienced it yourself. You spot a signal, enter the trade, and moments later the market moves against you, or even worse, the signal disappears after a losing trade as if it never existed. No clear exit plan, no reliable backtesting, just guesswork disguised as a trading strategy. That's exactly why Swift Algo was created. Swift Algo is a powerful TradingView indicator designed to bring clarity, structure, and confidence back into your trading. Trusted by over 12,000 traders worldwide, it helps eliminate uncertainty by providing signals you can actually rely on. Here's what makes it different. Swift Algo delivers 100% non-repainting buy and sell signals. So once a signal appears, it stays on your chart. It automatically draws take profit and stop loss levels, helping you manage every trade with a clear plan instead of emotion. Its built-in multi-timeframe trend table lets you instantly see the market direction across different timeframes, whether you're scalping, day trading, or swing trading. And with the integrated backtesting dashboard, you can test different settings, analyze historical performance, and optimize your strategy before risking real money. Don't just take our word for it. Here's what real traders are saying. Bart's been using Swift Algo for 2 months and calls it one of the core pieces of his strategy. He runs it on higher timeframes, M30 and H1, where he says the signals are fewer but genuinely effective. John says it simply changed his trading life. No more stress, just consistent profits, trade after trade. And Navanath combined the strategy with proper discipline and risk management and saw consistent results, especially in trending markets. Real traders, real structure, real results.